Good morning, my dear students. I am Ms. Aarti Bhaskar. Welcome you back to the online session of EVS. So, dear students, today we are going to do the revision of lesson number 6. And lesson number 6 is, what is the name of the lesson number 6? The name of the lesson number 6 is lesson number 6, Houses Around Us. So dear students, yes, of course, shelter is our basic need, okay? Shelter is the basic need of mankind. So we will going to learn about houses around us. Many types of houses are there in our society, okay? So why we need house? What is the use of house? Because house protect us from, nowadays it protect us from various types of things like from heat, cold, rain, stray and wild animals, okay, snow. So it protect us from all these things. And house and home, two different things. What is house? What is home? What is the difference between these two words? In these two words, the difference is house is only a house in that no one lives. Okay, house is only made up of cement, brick, iron, mud, straw. But if someone lives in it, that house becomes a sweet home. Okay, that house becomes a sweet home when someone lives in it. So this is the difference between house and home. So dear students, today our first topic is different types of house. Different types of house. There are mainly two different types of houses, that is Kacha house and Pakka house. Then what is Kacha house and what is Pakka house? Kacha house is weak. It is weak house. Why? Because it is made up of mud, straw, sticks, okay, mud, straw, sticks, wood, and they are usually seen in the villages. Fine. And what is example of Kacha house? A hut is an example of Kacha house. Clear? Now, the next is Pakka house. Pakka house is made up of cement, bricks, stones, steel, iron. So, all these things we use for making Pakka house, and Pakka houses mainly seen in towns, okay, and cities, in cities, towns and cities. And it can be, what is example of Pakka house? Pakka house, single story building, double story and multi-story buildings. These are the examples of Pakka house. Now, the houses in plains. The houses in plains having plain roof, okay, having plain roofs, while the houses in the hill areas, in the mountain areas, having sloping roof. Okay, so in the plain houses are having plain roofs, and in the hill areas the houses are having sloping roof. Okay, now our next topic is some other types of houses. There are two main types of houses, Kacha house and Pakka house. Now some other types of houses are called temporary house. In temporary house can be moved from one place to another, can be broken down, can be rebuilt easily. And these houses are called temporary house. In temporary house, tent, houseboat, caravan, stilt house, and igloo. These 5 houses are the example of temporary house. These 5 types of houses are the example of temporary house. Again telling you the examples: tent, houseboat, caravan, stilt house, igloo are the 5 temporary example of 5 temporary houses. Now what is tent? Everybody I think has seen. Tent is made up of canvas, mostly used for camping and very easy to set, can be easily carried from one place to another. This is the quality of a tent house. Houseboat. Houseboat usually seen in Kashmir because it is a house floats on water, okay, and this house made up of wood. The people of Kashmir live in houseboat. This is the second type. Now third type is caravan. Caravan is a house having wheels, okay. It can be pulled by animal or by car from one place to another. Fourth type, stilt house. Stilt house is made where it rains a lot, okay. So because stilt holds the house high above the ground. Stilts holds the house high above the ground, okay, to prevent rainwater from damaging it. To prevent rainwater from damaging it. This is stilt house. Igloo. This is a snow house made up of snow. In this, Inuits lives in igloo. It is made up of snow, okay, and this type of house made in places where it snows around the year. Now, next topic is houses in small and large cities. Houses in small and large. What is the difference between the houses which we found in small cities and the houses which we found in large cities? Yes, in small cities we usually live in, or people usually live in big houses because the cost of the land, the cost of the material availability is less, okay. They get easily all these things, okay. That is why they live in big houses. Small cities people live in big houses, and the examples of houses in small cities: bungalows and duplex houses. Large cities people usually live in small houses because there the cost of the land and building material is relatively more, and the examples of the houses in the large cities: skyscrapers, apartment building are commonly found in large cities. Now, reasons for diversity of houses. Reasons for diversity of why houses are different from each other. The location where the house is being built, the building material available in that area, the money one can spend in making the house, and the duration for which the house is needed. These are the 4 things or reasons for diversity of houses. Clear? Now, next topic is a good house. This is, can you see this house? It is a good house. What are the qualities of a good house? The first quality is enough doors and windows to let the fresh air and sunlight enters the room. Second, wire netting doors and windows to prevent flies and mosquitoes from coming in. Third, separate rooms for different purposes like sleeping, bathing, cooking. Okay. And fourth, neat and clean look. Fifth, sufficient water supply and proper drainage system. Sixth, away from factories. And seventh, easy access to school, to hospital, to your workplace and market. So these are the characteristics of a good house. How to take care. Our next topic is take care of our house. Okay, or of our homes. The first step we have to follow to take care of our homes. In this topic we have to follow some steps, some measures to take proper care of our home. The first step is do not litter the home. Okay, keep your things at your proper place. Keep dishes in the kitchen after eating your food. Flush the toilet after use. Throw garbage into the dustbin and keep them covered. Assist your parent in keeping the home clean. How to decorate. Decoration of our homes. We should decorate our homes to make them nice and beautiful. Yes, of course we are doing. We are cleaning our houses. We are decorating our homes with lights, with photographs, scenery, flowers, plants, everything we use to decorate our home. Okay, we can also decorate the floor of our homes with the carpet and floor tiles. Okay, so these are the topics. Okay, these are the topics which I detailed you in this session of lesson number 6. Again going to tell you why house is necessary. Okay, different types of houses, kacha house, pakka house, some other types of houses, temporary house, in that tent, houseboat, caravan, stilt house, igloo. After that, houses in small cities and large cities, difference between the houses in small cities and large cities, reasons for diversity of houses, a good house, taking care of our home, and how to decorate our homes. So we have completed our revision session. So dear students, learn everything from your book as well as your copy. Give your first semester exam very carefully. Okay, so best of luck my dear students. Take care. Bye.